Hello and welcome back to Cynthia's Conversation. On today's episode, it's another gentleman request too. On my right, I have
Amaka.
on my left, Yvonne. Welcome back. Thank you guys. I shall read. My wife got pregnant after I told her never to. This is not even, he said, this is not enough reason to be mad. We have 4 kids and I told her I'm done. I need peace and she needs to stop looking for me. I'm taking a vacation away from her. I can't live with her pregnancy every year. What should I do?
No, it's a joke. Now this is this is a Hollywood movie.
No,
wait,
go on then, read it again.
I don't believe you.
No, read it. Maybe I'm drunk.
No, wait.
Yes, go on.
I'm not reading it out.
No, please do.
I should read it because
Please
okay.
do.
They said his wife got pregnant after he told her not
Just
to.
read the way it was written.
Hey. My wife got pregnant after I told her never to. Then there's a sad face. Is that not enough reason to be mad? We have 4 kids and I told her I am done. I need to have peace and she needs to stop looking for me. I am taking a vacation away from her. I can't live with her pregnancy. What should I do? Cry face.
I thought I was.
Abella, maybe you should read it because my glasses are not good. Abella, please read it.
First of all, you told her.
Not to get
But you
pregnant.
didn't stop doing.
But you didn't stop
doing. Condom not there for our
So you
village.
told her, so all you did is
Not
stop
born
how
again,
get
no,
pregnant again.
Not born again. No.
But by the way, open leg. Are you for real? No, seriously, are you did you smoke something?
Expired drugs.
Are you for real? Don't have a baby again.
Yeah, but
Open leg.
Open leg.
Who does that? I mean, first
My
of all,
husband.
you okay. The question is not you told her. What did you do? It's both. This is 2 ways.
She didn't get pregnant by
That
herself now.
pregnancy is not immaculate conception.
at all.
It's you. You're the cause of that. So when you told her, did you tell yourself to hold yourself?
Why you don't go the vacation?
Why
before
did
she
you
got-
do the vacation
before
then?
she pregnant?
So anytime she's ovulating, because you can take her and you do family planning. Have you don't do
Exactly.
family?
Or why didn't you go and at least tie or
Your own
or
something.
do something to yourself so that what if you can still enjoy her without having to create that?
Because if you go on vacation, does that mean you're going on vacation from sex completely or again from for her? Because if you're not going on vacation from sex completely and you go and pregnant another uncle,
I'm so confused.
I don't understand. The guy
You
is
must be
joking.
smoking
And they're putting crap. Really.
It's heartbroken.
That she should stop looking for you. How is she looking for you?
Because I should they find them, huh?
Now she they find out.
Yeah.
Now she they do that to make you go up.
But I should they find
Guys, stop. You see,
Talk
this
for
is where I
God's
get
sake.
so pissed off with our people. When you do something right, it's your fault. It's you. When it's something wrong, it's the woman.
Yeah.
But what is wrong in her getting
How
pregnant?
there's nothing wrong in her getting pregnant, but if you didn't want it because yes, you have a number of children. Yes, you have your reasons. I mean, your reasons for not wanting to have children is solid.
Yeah.
You have 4 children.
Yeah.
You're trying to raise 4 children. Having kids is expensive. So your reason is fine, but the roots or the way you went about it is so wrong and full of bullshit. If you want to not have children, it's a conversation with you and your wife. What do we do? What can we do in order not to create another being? Because the one we have to take care of.
Maybe he did. Okay, let me put spanner in the works. Maybe he did that. Did you advise that? Because you men, you people don't like to do family planning. Because you know there's something you guys can do. You can have vasectomy. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
So that you can't. Yeah, vasectomy is women that have surgery. You probably didn't want to do it. The most Nigerian men don't want to do it.
Exactly.
And you probably told her to go and do family planning, and she said no. So
And
that's probably what his annoyance is.
Yeah, but what?
But see, the thing is, then there's something else you could have done. You map her period. You can map her ovulating time, which is what some people do. Hey, I will not. Okay.
You guys are even going far.
You
Because I don't know.
Hang on.
You're going for, when she said
No,
no,
use
then
condom.
what can you do?
But they don't like
Even
to use
leave
condom.
that. Hang on. You don't know what they call a withdrawal system.
Not everybody can.
But if you don't want, look, this is something. It's very simple. You may have jokingly told her, "I bet this 4 don't reach." Maybe to her she thought you were joking, or as she sweet you, it's sweet her. When the time reach for you to, you go suffering, come outside. We won't be here having this conversation. But the idea of what should you do, you are not going anywhere.
Where are you going?
Take 2 to tango. Now me and you,
responsibility.
dance the tango together.
Am I there?
Then after she have this one finished,
you will not come back.
6 months after that, she don't polish again, nice. You know, go still go meet her. So the thing is, okay, it has happened. If you guys decided to keep, after having 4, I don't think 1 more will kill you too. So just after this one, at the point in a hospital, if he's here, you know, because he didn't specify whether he's here. If he's here, they even ask you before you go to labor. After this, what do you want to do in terms of
family consultation? They do ask in Nigeria.
They ask.
They actually ask in
so
Nigeria.
if you guys go for that consultation, and they ask, just tell them for this, I be not her womb.
No, but she has to.
Did you hear what I said? I said when both of them.
Okay, but what happens if she says no?
And the man go tie you.
Exactly. Because it's you that doesn't want the children, and she says no, she doesn't want to do. Then you do it because you are so adamant.
From that note, exactly. From that note,
she doesn't mind.
She doesn't want.
So it is you.
She wants.
And then you take the precautions. Leaving her is not going to do anything. Leaving her, if you go and meet another woman, she can still get pregnant. So obviously, you are very fertile. You can score goal local. Wait, don't 5 children.
How many ways she born when she was speaking? That 4.
No, you can score goal.
So
this
so he wants to leave and go and meet another person because his wife is always getting pregnant. The man, he should get away, Joe.
My what's making me laugh is you want to take a vacation. After you've run, you will still come back. Or are you divorcing her?
Because she's pregnant.
No, I wonder how far can he run?
That's true.
How far are you not going to take? Is he not your wife? You're running so that another man can come and take over. Think about what you're saying.
No, but if he runs and he goes to another woman, what guarantee does that the woman is not going to get pregnant? Unless you go to a woman that has.
If your wife has told you, if your wife has categorically told you no, I'm not doing anything because maybe she wants, then it's down to you.
Down to you.
Something.
Yes.
It's as simple as that.
I know people have done it. Yes.
It's down to you. But you still need to sit down and have that conversation. Because if your wife still wants more children,
until you're pregnant again, I'm not happy with you being pregnant. Hey, who gave me belly?
You know what? Like, it's a sad.
The sadness and crying.
My dear, it's a joy though. There are people that are looking for that they can't have one. My dear, it's a joy. And the fact that, you know, Isha people will say, your chicken, they chop corn very well. You know? The chicken.
You get chicken when they chop corn well.
You get some when they chop corn.
That's what you want to be? Wait, chicken they chop corn.
Oh yes, like so not the fish swallow. So this one, so the chicken they chop corn well. My dear.
Be happy and stop being selfish, Jarina. Unless that you have children outside that you don't want to.
The one that makes me really laugh is the fact that he's running away vacation. How many days vacation?
I said maybe he has children outside, so maybe it's not only 5, that maybe they have 17.
Yeah, because
why is up vacation?
I swear to God, is going to I swear to God, this woman is
no, but have you ever heard anybody that says I'm having a vacation because my wife is always getting pregnant?
Her smiling. I wonder why. Let's go to her.
No, let me what is that? Because don't mind. No,
I honestly think Amaka puts magic bullet in her leg before she comes to this chair, because the amount of laughter she laughed and her conclusion, there must be something beneath it, and I can't
put
put
that inside here. It's curfew.
No, I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about them.
Because I can't imagine the straight face this man actually.
No. How come? Why? Anytime when you sit down for this chair, your laugh is so loud, and if something not done between your legs,
I won't be laughing.
What will you do? Exactly. This is what I'm talking about, guys.
Oh, you people knows. Okay, let's go back to the topic now.
Back to the topic.
Okay, sorry, Uncle. Sorry. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, hang on. The question was, what will you do, brother? In this occasion,
you can't do nothing.
Nothing.
Save money. You have 9 months to prepare for the baby coming.
And when it does come, you go embrace it.
After all, since you have 4, I'm sure you have leftover clothes from the other ones.
And you have a help as well.
What is it?
Those ones, the 4 will help you with this one.
What's that?
And then just help her go through it. Because if you ordinary to take IC, you want to run. What about the person that is going to carry it? You know,
exactly.
so as much as you want to run, if I can transfer being pregnant is something like that. God.
No. She's probably stressed herself.
Yeah.
She's actually probably stressed. Do you know what it is? And then you're coming to an unhappy home.
And sometimes it's not because she wanted a baby. She just wanted to have
it happens.
In the process of having fun.
For now, all of them do I love you, I need you.
And she's not going to throw the baby away.
Exactly.
Especially when you have 4.
Is it not my husband? Is it not a family? And I will now ask me to go and get rid of the baby.
Absolutely.
Just pray that it's not twins or triplets. I see that.
How did you?
No, some people.
How did she?
No, but what will she? But there's happened to people now.
No, but Amaka, honestly, how do you come up with all
because wait, imagine if it's triplets inside there.
Now you put them. How you? Now
Have you done scan? Okay, I pray for you that it is only one child there because of this time when they cry, you cry blood. And there's nothing you can. These are people that just they say woman abandoned with the husband run away. Truthfully, you are gonna. At least we know now that you're going to run from. In fact, we should tell the wife that your husband is taking vacations. That's how when she borns the children. Now they'll say man abandoned when he comes. True. But don't men abandon their wife with babies in the
Does this man tell you say one abandon the wife?
He says vacation about abandonment.
He's going on holiday.
The one that went to those ones they went on holiday because they didn't expect triplets. Uncle.
Now you put her there and just tie her. Now you put it.
Maybe it's maybe it's more than one. But that's probably why you're scared.
What?
It might be more than one. That's why you're scared.
Is there anywhere in this message that
you have to read in between the lines?
Yvonne, this is not even funny anymore. Why are you laughing?
What do you want me to
Can't you tell
because I don't know if anyone that wants
a big baby. Can somebody tell this big baby?
I don't know.
Stop insinuating for God's sake.
I'm trying to help him.
You are not helping. The man asks for help and you are just making it work. The man they run for 1, you won't give her 3. How is that helping?
Okay. Hey God.
I swear to God, I will never let this woman make coffee here. It's like it's either there is something in the coffee or there is something in between your legs.
No, I'm being serious because
Amaka,
just think of the worst scenario. I'm just trying to save him.
The man did not specify.
I know he didn't specify.
What he's saying is, how are we going to help you? Bros, we can't help you. We can't help you, I'm sorry. In this case, I don't even have, the only advice I can tell you, be patient. Because even her too.
She'll be stressed.
She's stressed. In fact, pregnancy
is stressful.
And after that, if you
she's probably not even young as well.
In fact, at the moment you are even enjoying it because the baby is still in the belly. Wait until they come down. The first 3 months.
After 4, maybe his fortune are even young as well. But even then,
you know when they begin crying when nobody they beat them.
The irony of everything is this woman with the pregnancy still has those other 42.
Exactly.
Yeah. So it's not just the baby. Complain. You're talking about vacation. So you're going to. In fact, that's actually where you're letting yourself down more because you're running away in her time of need. Yeah. What does that make you? Now, that's a very selfish man.
No, but
can you now run it? You're going for vacation. The woman, can she not take vacation, remove the child, go for vacation, and come back and put it back inside her? It's not possible.
And how long does he want to go on the vacation?
And how long do you want
the children are older? Because I don't get it. Will he come as soon as the baby is born? So that's is it going on vacation while she's pregnant? Because this is the best time this is the best time to even enjoy her sex because at least she can't get pregnancy under the. I'm being serious now. So what is he doing on vacation?
Amaka, we need to console this boy.
Console him that what? Did he call me when he was doing juju? When they say who's the daddy? Uncle, there's nothing you can do. Okay, I apologize, but there's nothing you can do, darling. Ain't going on vacation because when you come back, you still, unless you go and come back when she's 60 and she's under her menopause, then that's fine. Because if you come back next year, she get belly.
No, but where is he going to? Who is
asking me? I don't know.
For him, you're supposed to be helping the woman at that point in time. If she's sick, If she's one of those that have this terrible money sickness that they can't do anything, who's going to take care of the other 4 people? Abi, are you bringing somebody to do the job for you?
Cynthia.
It makes no sense.
He's going on vacation.
No, he's not.
No, we are not. Yeah, he's only
You go,
joking.
I think I think what the problem is. Listen, I think he's shocked. You know, sometimes you don't think these things happen, and then when they do, the reality will hit you. I think when he was typing this, I think he was in a state of shock. But now that you've gone past the shock, you will sit down and the reality is here. The baby is here to stay. Your wife is not going to get rid of it after 4. So you didn't say your girlfriend is your wife, for better for worse.
Exactly.
Because when Isha people they pray for you, they will say baby sin me 9 plus 10, 19, and you are
Children.
only on a 5. You they complain. You still have, you know.
You see, you're telling me that I said
You
it's
still have 15 to go. So my dear brother, snap out of your frustration like this, and then put your man of the house coat on and tie, and take care of your responsibility. And if care is not taken, by the time when I born this one finish, if you not tie your own and she did not tie her own, there will be baby number 6. I'm not sure whether the only type you go type that time. Maybe you'll send me video
Of what?
of him ranting.
Of crying.
No, of him ranting.
I
can't believe that she's pregnant.
Again, number 7 child.
And then we all go do video to send to you, say, oh boy, take care.
Father of all nations, Abraham. Sorry.
So when I don't think on this one we can only tell you well done, congratulations, because it's an amazing achievement. Baby number 5, it's not easy.
And wish her safe delivery as well.
Absolutely.
Baby,
And
both
support
mother
her.
and baby will be healthy.
And support her.
You know?
And you know.
Because as he's stressed, she's probably stressed. Maybe the youngest child is. They probably thought they wouldn't have any more children. Maybe the youngest child is old, not that young, you know, and they probably, and as you're stressed, she's stressed too. And you don't need a pregnant one being stressed, because one, it can affect her blood pressure and stuff. Like you said, support her, and then and both of you get through this together, and then talk to her nicely.
And then have that conversation.
Yes, talk to her nicely about it.
If she's one of those that still says, listen, I still want more children, then you tell her, well, if you're not going to do anything, I will.
I will do it.
I will do it.
Yeah.
And I'll support you. And explain to her that, look, children are not, this is not the time to be filling the house with children, because you want to make sure that every
You give
child
them the best.
you want to give them the best. You know, talk about education, school. They are still, think ahead, because we're talking of now. Think ahead, school fees, university.
Eh?
There's a lot
Explain
to
to her.
me. Exactly.
Feeding
And all that. Explain all that and say, listen. And if she doesn't want, you do, then at least you both of you will still enjoy each other without worrying about the consequences.
Yeah.
And that's what is for better, for worse.
Yeah.
If she doesn't do, you do.
Yes.
Not if she doesn't do, you run.
Yeah.
That's not what you promise God
That's
at the
true.
altar.
Yeah.
That's
So it's for better, for worse. So,
Yeah.
guys,
Uncle Jisike, well done.
Uncle,
all I can
sorry,
tell you is
sorry, bros. Until next time.
bear with him.
Bye.
Bye.